Are you stopping by for the very first time? Are you tuning into my channel for the first time? Please do well to subscribe. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own lightening lotion. Please, lightening lotion. I'm using organic base, but the oils and the serums are promixing. So, guys, let's get back to my workstation and make this together. But remember to subscribe. Also, turn your notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes, guys. Then let's go to my workstation and make this thing together. Let's start to make our body lotion. This body lotion, we are using organic whitening base made from scratch. Yes, and it's very, very good. Caramel skin can use it. Hot chocolate skin can use it. It will brighten, it will lighten the person's skin depending on the person's skin type. So I'm using 500 ml or 500 grams in this production. I'm using 500, please. 500 grams of this base cream on this production. So I will scoop it into a bowl. After that, then I will add in my skin gold. Skin gold is very, very good because it's anti-inflammatory, anti-infection. It cures eczema, itching, skin infection. So I'm using 1 tube of it. 1 tube of it, please. 1 tube of it. Okay. Please make sure to get original product so that whenever you do it, it will work. All my recipes are effective unless you did not get the original product. I'm also going to add in my alpha arbutin concentrate. This one is a concentrate. I'm using 1/4 bottle of it. 1/4 bottle of it. Alpha arbutin concentrate cures hyperpigmentation, fade dark spots, also cures sunburn. So I love alpha arbutin. I'm using 1/4 bottle of it. And my next ingredient will be my zero spot. It comes in two. We have the egg yolk and the carrot. Please, anyone that your hands laid off, you can use it. And I'm using the egg yolk one. I'm using 1 of it. 1 bottle of it, please, guys. 1/4 bottle of it. Don't go and add in the 2. Please, I'm adding only 1. 1 bottle of my zero spot touch. This also cures dark spots, acne, and also clears pimples. Please make sure to get original products. I'm also going to use my glutathione comprime serum. I'm using 1/4 bottle. Glutathione comprime serum is a concentrated which contains glutathione. Okay, it contains glutathione. When glutathione is a whitening powder or whitening product. So I'm adding in 1/4 bottle of it. It will glow the skin. It will give the skin milky effect. And I love it. Yes, guys. I'm also going to add in my Egyptian talking oil. This oil is a talking oil which will talk, let the skin talk, do the talking itself, okay? So I'm adding only 1 bottle of it. Yes, this Xmas, let your skin talk. Use this glutathione and also Egyptian for your skin to talk. Okay, I'm using 1/4 bottle. My next ingredient will be my Shining Perfect Light. Shining Perfect Light comes in 2. We have the stage 2 and we have the stage 1. You can use any of it. I'm using 3 tablespoons. You can use any of it. It clears veins, green veins, blue veins, stretch marks. So it is very, very good. Yes. I normally use it even on my facial creams to clear the veins in dark faces. Okay. Yes. So we are using 3 tablespoons of it. And my next ingredient will be my skin-free milk. This skin-free milk is a beautician milk. Yeah, it's a bleaching milk too. It will let the skin whiter. But for me, if I use it, it darkens my skin. But I don't know, guys. So I still better add it because it will give me that milky effect. I'm adding in 1/4 bottle of it. Yes, 1/4 bottle of it. I can use skin-free milk and I will be darker. I don't know why. Next ingredient will be my Rapid White Whitenizer. Rapid White Whitenizer is a super spot remover serum. It clears all the spots, sunburn, hyper. Yes. So guys, I'm using 1/4 bottle of it. 1/4 bottle of my Rapid White Whitenizer. Make sure to get an original one, please. We have fake out there. The fake are many, so please make sure to get original product. We sell also some, so you can also contact us and buy it from us. Make sure to get all the original product and let it work for you. I don't want a situation you'll be complaining that the recipe did not work. This is what I'm using on my skin. I won't lie. This is what I'm using on my skin. And my next ingredient will be my Skin Doctor Ampoules. I'm using 3 pieces of it. 3 pieces of it. Better so you can add in 4 to cure your stretch marks. I'm using my Shalom stretch marks oil. Shalom stretch marks oil is a stretch marks oil, as you can hear the name itself. Yes, I'm using 3 tablespoons of it. And my next ingredient will be my crude kenako. Crude kenako is the green veins, blue veins. Okay, yes, it cures it. And I'm using 3 tablespoons of my crude kenako. My next ingredient is my rose hip oil. Rose hip oil also correct the dark circle on your eyes. It also give that glowing effect. I'm using 1 tablespoon of my rose hip oil. So guys, this is how you will do it. You scoop in the 500 grams of your base cream. Yes, I'm using organic whitening base cream. I made it from scratch. So I scoop it into a bowl. After that, then I add in my skin gold. I add in the skin gold, please guys. Add in the skin gold. Yes, I added in 1 skin gold. After that, then I added in all my serums and stir it properly using my spatula. Better still, I use my stick blender, but you can use your spatula to mix it properly. But make sure to add in your skin gold. Try to add in the skin gold. I tested the lotion on my one hand. Yes, it absorbs faster and also moisturize the skin faster too. Yes, it's very, very good. It will glow the skin, lighten the skin, depending on your skin type, guys, please. And also time also counts. I scale my lotion to know the total production, and the total was 1.5 kg. Yes, almost that. 1.5 kg almost. So guys, after that I will scoop all into my lotion containers, and some is there. We are selling it whilst I'm using some is also there. You can also contact us and get yours. Yes, this lotion will glow your skin. I also tested the pH and it was 5.5. It will smoothen the skin, giving it a glow. So guys, yes, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn your notification bell. Please like, share and comment. If you want me to show you how I made my base cream, please comment in the comment section. And I love you guys. God bless you for being with me. See you in my next video. Bye.